Hello friends, welcome to HR Garden. Friends, today I'm going to talk about this Haworthia plant which is with me from last 2 years, and I have grown this Haworthia plant in a 12-inch poly bag as you can see here, and it's growing very nicely. It has produced lots of offset. This variety of Haworthia is very easy to grow, and friends, this Haworthia plant has aloe property also. You can use the gel of this Haworthia in the burn and cut also as a medicine. First, I am going to talk how to grow Haworthia or how to propagate a Haworthia. Propagation is very easy. It is propagated usually from the offset. You just need to remove the offset or pull out the offset slowly with its root and place it in a sand or a soil like this as I am showing you in the video. After some time, this will start producing more roots and it will become a new plant with the passage of time. Sunlight requirements. Haworthia likes to be in a bright light. Now I have kept this Haworthia plant in a place where it receives whole day sunlight, because in my area the temperature does not go above 30 degree throughout the year. If you are growing this plant in area where the summer temperature goes very high, in those areas you need to keep this plant in a shade during afternoon sun. The scorching hot of the summer may burn the leaves. So if you are growing this plant in a hotter region, keep it in a place where it gets few hours of morning sunlight and the whole day shady area. Too much of sunlight causes its foliage to become red, yellow, or sometimes you may see white leaves also. Indoor, you can place this plant in east or west facing window. I have tried in low light, but it does not grow well in low light area. Watering. Water this plant when the soil completely dries up. When you water it thoroughly. Do not overwater this plant. Overwatering causes root rot and plant may die. Talking about soil, use well draining potting soil which does not stay wet. You can use 50% of sand and 50% of garden soil. I have used 1 part of sand, 1 part of garden soil, and 1 part of compost. Haworthia is not a heavy feeder. You can fertilize this plant with a liquid fertilizer during the spring and summer. You don't need to fertilize during winter. I give a handful of compost to this Haworthia plant once a year, and whole year I don't use any other fertilizer. Pest. So far my plant is not attacked by any of the pest or an insect, but sometime it may get attacked by mealybugs or fungus. So in that case you can spray the neem oil, or you can spray any insecticide, or you can remove the infected part also. 2 years back I have bought very small plant of Haworthia and placed it in a small pot. So within 6 months it has filled that pot, and I have shifted that plant in this 12-inch pot. Now this Haworthia plant is in this 12-inch pot from last 1.5 year, and it is growing nicely. I don't say this is slow growing plant. So we can report this plant when it overgrows its container. This is very hardy plant which is very easy to care in a minimal cost. I fertilize this plant once in a year, and I water this plant very rarely. In spite of this plant looks very happy and it has produces lots of bulbs and it is growing very nicely. So friends, this is it for today. Take care of yourself. Keep gardening. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching HR Garden.